Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. B, your Creole Connection. It's the Sunday before Fat Tuesday, otherwise known as Mardi Gras, and we are headed toward a culinary experience. Dr. Lee, the Hawaiian boil master and the Cayenne Pepper King, is in town, and I've been invited to experience his culinary delights, which are prepared for the brave who want their palates challenged by southern spices and African-inspired cuisine. Anything from boiled seafood to seafood paella. So let's go see what he's got in the pots and on the grill. Let's go take a look. So I'm not sure what we got going on in here, but this is a big pot, and we got the chef who's about to tell us what it is.
Yeah, well, this is Big Bertha. This pot is called Big Bertha. Holds over 100 gallons, I think. I'm not really sure. It's just so big, you just don't know. But anyway, today we boil shrimp, sausage, potatoes, in Big Bertha. And then over here, we made some authentic paella, baby, in the big paella pan. But you can see the people have been eating. They've really been enjoying this. But we gotta keep it covered up.
All right, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, Kenneth, well, cover it back up, brother. We just trying to get a little compilation of some of the activities that's around.
And then over here, in Little Bertha. It's kind of hot, isn't it? But we had some sausage and potatoes left over, so we kind of got that simmering right now.
Oh, so that's sausage. What kind of sausage?
Sausage,
like andouille?
No, it's not andouille. My sister bought it from Sam.
Okay, all right. All right. All right, and this is Little Bertha.
That's Little Bertha.
And that's Big Bertha.
Big Bertha over there.
Okay.
So we've been boiling it up, paelling it up, eating it up.
So it's going pretty quick.
It's going pretty fast.
All right.
That's like it's going real fast.
And you're right on the parade route.
Right on the route. Right on the route. We got that parade coming in about now.
Oh, look at that. So right outside of your fence, the parade is passing. Okay.
On the parade route. As you can see from the street, a lot of beans have already been thrown from the first parade, and here we go with the second one.
So the success of the parade is measured by the amount of debris on the street.
That's a high possibility.
Okay.
But my success of the parade,
yes, sir,
is only measured by me having a good time cooking and feeding my family and friends. That's all I really care about.
Well, very well. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Lee, for your explanation of what it takes to make a successful Mardi Gras.
Yeah, family and friends.
All right.
And good food.